can't see it from your angle, but I have a digital readout on my milling machine. And I'm going 175 thousandths both directions to give us a little movement in our tubing. One of the things we didn't talk about was on tubing, it has a welded seam. You never want to place the welded seam on a register area, which is either the top or the side that the T-square registers on. They can be wavy, not straight, and have a lot of different issues. So always use that on the bottom or away from where you're going to be trying to use your fence. We have to tap the holes in our tube now so we can bolt it down to the angle. To do that, freehand tapping is dangerous at best. If a tap is so brittle that if it moves sideways at all, it will snap. So the best thing to do is get one of these. It's a tabletop tapper. It holds the tap straight. There's no side forces put on it, so it makes the job much easier. This is a 1/4-20 tap. We want to put a little oil on it. Start, come back. Then you have a tapped hole. Move to our next one. It's also very important to make sure that you get the hole right underneath the tap. I used to tap holes quite a bit, freehand, and snapped a few taps off. I bought this hand tapper several years ago and haven't busted a tap since then. It's really the only way to do this. They're not that expensive. This was around $75 as I remember, and had all the tap holders with it, which is another plus. And that's the way we do it. It works well.